Hi everyone, you're welcome. I have a lot of videos on my channel with regards to fluffy donuts, and this is one of them. I am going to show you guys how to achieve this shape. Now please do not forget to leave me a comment if you'll be trying it out, like and share. Now into a bowl we are going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to add 1 kilogram of flour. So most times we don't get to measure in cups, because when you go to buy and you ask for 1 kilogram of flour, they are just going to measure it for you. So that is what I'll be using. Proceed to sift your flour to get rid of dirt and trap in air. Now we are going to mix 1 3/4 cup of water with 3 sachets of milk. We are going to set it aside. This is my yeast of choice, and I'm going to measure 3 teaspoons of yeast. So this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. I'll be using nutmeg as my flavor, and I'm going to add in just 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Thereafter, I'm going to give it a good mix to make sure that everything goes in well. If you're wondering, I did not prove my yeast this time around because that is instant yeast. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. That's not equivalent to half or 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add 2 eggs, cracking 2 eggs, and 1/4 cup of margarine. You can melt it. Then I'm gently going to add my liquid milk and mix. You can wash your hands properly before proceeding to mix with your hands. Either ways, you can crack and whisk your eggs in a separate bowl before adding. And the reason why I'm using a spoon is because my eggs are still very much fresh, so I wouldn't want to go in with my hands like that. Now proceed to add the rest of your milk. Clearly, I always advise you add any liquid to any batter in bits. Do not add all at once. So in case of any mistake, you can easily adjust, or you can avoid any mistake. Now proceed to mix. Wash your hands properly and knead. Once you are done kneading, it should look like this. It should be this soft. Now you're going to oil your bowl and proceed to rub your dough in the oil so that it does not stick. Cover with either a clean cloth, film, or foil paper and let it rest for an hour. After an hour, this is what we had. It had doubled in size. You're going to punch to release the air, and then dust your surface with flour. Then proceed to add your dough. I am going to start partitioning my dough, cutting it into bits so that I can definitely start molding. Now this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going in for large quantities because I want big donuts. I have several videos on different donut shapes. This is a unique one, and I love this shape in particular because a lot of times here in Cameroon, most people tend to use the same design for bread. Now you're going to flatten. In order to achieve this shape and this size, you have to make sure that the dough quantity is slightly bigger than the regular size. Well, this is more illustrative than explanatory, so I'm going to allow you to watch the video. this will be emphasized on again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.